Hi, cyber sisters and misters. Do you want to watch me slay this kinky coily unit? Then stay with me.
Subscribe.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with a very quick review of a wig. Well, I've had it for so long and I really don't even remember where I purchased it, but I'm gonna try it on. I bought it probably in about 2016, maybe the beginning of 2017. I think I might have bought it from Amazon, but I'm not sure, but I'll find out and link it below in the description box if I did, because if I bought it from Amazon, then I can find it in my past order history. But without further ado, here's the wig.
The color is an ombre mix of browns. It's similar to a brassy 27 in daylight. Now she was about 10 to 12 inches before I cut it, and I manipulated it a lot and it still didn't shed a lot. I know it's synthetic, but it's more coarse than baby doll hair soft.
It's kind of a kinky coily texture. It does have a cap inside, a full cap. Here's a close-up of the inside of the wig cap. It's breathable and adjustable. It fits like a medium to an average size cap.
There's no combs or anything in this wig, so I'll probably have to use a few bobby pins or a hairband to secure it.
Back in October when I was considering wearing it while on vacation, but I didn't end up wearing it. I don't even think I ended up taking it, to tell you the truth, but here it is all the same. Now I'm gonna wear it today, I guess, because like I said, it is old. I really wasn't taking good care of it as far as storage is concerned. I probably just balled it up and put it in the bottom of a closet somewhere, like I always do. But I'm gonna spray some of this Gliss hair repair on it. I'm pretty sure somebody's gonna say that's a no-no and I should use wig spray.
And I usually do, but I have this handy and I can't find my wig spray. But as soon as I don't need it, it'll resurface, like always.
I'm gonna give this a try. This is the Gliss Fiber Therapy Hair Repair in Oil Spray. And I'm just using it just to get a little shine back in this wig. I maybe should have even like that. I probably should have just did a deep conditioner on it and just kind of shook it out and, you know, let that be it, but I didn't. So here we are. Just gonna pick it out a little bit, give it some fluff, get some of these perfect coils out of here. I can't stand a perfect coily wig. I like it big, natural looking, which is closer to my texture. We'll go this route and see where it takes us. I'm just gonna go on and put it on and shape it on my head. It's just a black wig cap. Then I like to put the brown one over it. It gives me a color that I like under my wig. Although it's not a lace front or anything, so it really doesn't matter. Then, instead of relying on these hooks to keep my wig on, and there's no combs or anything inside this wig, I really need a strap just around the back. So I'm just gonna throw this on now. See what it looks like. It's big. I know I love big hair, so I'm okay with it. Okay. I can work with this. I can rock with it. I like it. it down. It's actually kind of a small cap. It's all right. I'm gonna make it work. I'm not really going anywhere anyway. I want to do like a part, like a bang actually. I think I want to do a bang in here. Let's see what that looks like. This is some big hair. But this color is good with my skin tone though. I like it. Let's see here. Just pull this band up here. And I'll tuck it under my ear and underneath the wig. Behind my ear on this side too. Pull that down a little bit. Fluff that back out. I need to trim it some more, especially on this side. I can deal with this. I'm not mad at it. I don't even remember why I ended up not wearing it when I first got it. Thinking it was too big. I mean, it was huge. And like I said, I shaped it up a little bit before vacation last year, and I still didn't end up taking it. Or I didn't end up using it, one or the other. I don't really remember. Out of my ears. I really need to trim it some more. But I really don't feel like it. So I'm gonna do some tucking like we all do. Do some tucking with our wigs. Push that little hair back in place. You know how we do it. Braids a bit. Yeah. Back in with this one. This one. I don't want it to cover my ears. Okay. Put down a little curly Q over here on the side. If it would frame my face a little bit. No idea what it looks like in the back of the head. So looking at the back now, I am doing more fluffing, pulling and tucking. I'm trying to fill in any open spaces or gaps that I see in the hair. Just fluffing it all around. So the question is, would I recommend this wig? Just based on what I know about it before wearing it out in public, based on the feel, the look, the fabulous color, minimal shedding. So longevity. I can't speak on longevity right now, but for what I do know, would I recommend this wig? Definitely. And if I can figure out where I bought it, I'm gonna buy another one in a different color.
Hopefully there's been a tip or two that you can apply personally or share with a friend. Check out the description bar below to find information and updates about this unit. Comment, like, and subscribe if you feel so inclined. And until next time, I'm Sunkissed Nick. Thank you for watching. Bye. Click the link above for another classy, sassy hair tutorial. subscribe.